Hi, this is Pradeep from QSpiders Rajajinagar. One of our students has got offered to a software company. He will share how his experience in QSpiders Rajajinagar and also how was the interview process.
Hi everyone, my name is Veeresh. I am from Ballari. I have completed BSc graduation from Veeresh College Ballari in 2025. I joined QSpiders in the month of July. Here I learned manual testing with the help of guidance Pradeep sir and Niranjan sir and Avinash sir. And their teaching helped me to build strong foundation, and I enjoyed class environment, and I learned Java with the help of Ravi sir, and I learned Rahul sir. I learned Selenium with the help of Rahul sir. I enjoy a lot. I would like to say thank you for all the trainers and HR team. Thank you, sir.
How was the interview process?
So interview process is very easy, and because of I trained in QSpiders, so I easily cracked this interview. First of all, I cracked the first round is aptitude test. I cracked the aptitude test easily because I trained with the help of Selva sir, and also technical round. Technical round was very easy. They asked about manual questions and SQL questions. It was very easy. And at last HR questions. I also trained HR questions, so I got placed.
Congrats, all the very best.